Finally, the Vivo X300 Pro. Today in this video, I like to share you guys unboxing and review Vivo X300 Pro. So first of all, talk about the box content. Firstly, we get our smartphone, then one SIM ejector tool, one soft case, next 90-watt adapter and USB Type-C cable, and this is our Vivo X300 Pro black color. So first of all, talk about the phone design and the build quality. Design wise, the phone look very similar to previous generation, just one changes is the flat display. Finally, the smartphone come with a flat display, and camera bump is not be small, is also very huge. The design and build quality, the smartphone is very premium. The phone come with Gorilla Glass armor in the front, glass also back and aluminium frame, and the phone also offer IP68 and IP69 rating. On the display department, the phone comes with 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with 1 big color and 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support and 4500 nits of peak brightness, and this is 1.5K resolution panel. And the security wise, the phone comes with ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. On the performance sector, the phone comes with MediaTek Dimensity 9500 SoC with ARM G1 Ultra GPU, up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage with UFS 4.1. In the camera department, the phone comes with massive camera setup. The 50MP main sensor, 200MP periscope telephoto lens with 3.7x optical zoom, 50MP ultra wide and 50MP selfie camera. The smartphone powered by 6510 mAh battery with 90-watt fast charging and 40-watt wireless charging supported. And very soon the smartphone long time full review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, that's all about our unboxing and review. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.